Today I'm going to show you how to do a pop back swipe for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. Channel's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a pop back swipe, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop back scoot. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance and you can slightly turn towards your target a little bit. You're going to crouch down and put your hand on the ground behind you. From there, you're going to be jumping off of both feet at the same exact time. And at the top, you want to kick your swing leg all the way through to the ground, landing in a backside stance. Some different ways that you can do this move. And I do recommend that you get used to all of these because we are going to be using them in combinations later on. You can follow through with your back leg all the way around to a front side stance when you land a trick. You can spin 180 degrees into your pop back swipe. And you can combine a spin and follow through to get the most momentum out of this skill. Key things to remember. Make sure that you're pushing through the balls of your feet when you jump. Try thinking about splitting your legs apart at the top to really get that swing leg through. And try to go backwards as much as you can, but honestly, this move is supposed to be slanted to the side, so if you do not go straight over, it really doesn't matter. Start going off like super to the side and then slowly progress it up and up and up until you're going more over. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support this channel just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into a back snap. I'm gonna snap your back. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.